Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the warranty of a new construction home in the United States. So recently I was talking to one of my friends and he actually purchased a new construction home in Texas and he does not know about the warranty claims on his particular home. So basically what I'm trying to say is for most of the builders, this is the warranty scheme. So there is 1 year warranty on the craftsmanship or the materials. Okay, so basically this 1 year warranty, it covers everything included in the house except for the driveway and also the fence. So whether it is a foundation, any issue with electrical, mechanical, HVAC component, usually what I have seen is within the first 1 year there might be some issues with the HVAC cooling or heating, and it is based on the refrigerant level, so that can also be filled within this first year or within the first 2 years actually. So there is a 2 year warranty and it covers the major components such as plumbing, electricity, and also the HVAC component. Then there is 10 years warranty on the structural components. It also includes the roof framing, but not all parts of the roof. It covers the foundation and it basically covers the structural components of the house, such as load bearing walls as well. And then there is a 25-year manufacturer warranty on the roof components such as shingles, and this is a manufacturer's warranty and not a builder warranty. And I'm talking about the new construction houses. So here the first main important point is the 1 year warranty. So if you have purchased a new construction home, on the day of closing it is counted as t equal to 0 days. Now count 1 year from that particular period. You can ask the builder to fix several components within the house. So how should we go about it as a homeowner? You need to complete a 11-month inspection from the day of closing, and this inspection can be done by the independent third party inspectors, and these are professionals, so they can find out additional problems which you as a homeowner or a person staying in the home cannot identify. They look at all of the components. If you need further information on the warranty or further information on the type of deficiency or issues that I have seen in the past in any of the homes that I have witnessed, I can talk about it in my next videos. But in this particular video, I am focusing on how to raise a 1 year warranty claim to any builder, and more specifically for the Lennar builder, and how to claim that. Okay, so the first step is, at the end of 11 months, you need to call an independent inspector, a professional inspector, so that he inspects every component of the house, and then he provides a very detailed report which is called as an inspection report. And this inspection report needs to be provided to the builder, and that particular report will have all the major deficiency, minor deficiency, and any sort of recommendations from the inspector, and those things you can get it fixed by the builder before the 12 months end from the day of closing. So what does this mean is, your inspector should complete the inspection before 12 months from the day of closing, and you should also be able to report all of these issues or deficiencies to the builder before the end of 12 months. If you are late by even 1 day after the 12-month mark or after the 1 year mark, the builder will deny your request for fixing of these deficiencies. So that is why 1 year warranty is really important as a homeowner of a new construction home. So let's see how to raise a warranty claim to Lennar builder. Log into the homeowners portal provided by the builder, or you can type Lennar maintenance request on google.com. That opens you the multiple links, and the first link is Lennar customer care, which is mylennar.lennar.com/customer care warranty. And here it is asking you to sign into your account for a full customer experience. If you do not have the login details, or sometimes the Lennar portal has issues with the login, so you can provide your details even without login, such as you can provide your name, email address, phone number, street address of the home that you are reporting issues for, city, state, and postal code, and then click on next. So this takes you to the service request. So basically, if you are raising a one-time request or one-time issue, you can add multiple requests over here. So when does that form comes into picture is if you have found an issue after 1 month and you have not done the inspection. Anyways, you are not gonna do the inspection monthly, right? So when you do or find an issue after 1 month, from the day of closing, then you can report the individual issues over here as request number one. Then you can add multiple requests. But since we are submitting the 1 year warranty request, I'm going to select the first request type as customer service. Now, then the second category would be 1 year warranty. As you can see here, there are details such as drywall and paint service, NHO, punch list, TLC. But we have selected 1 year warranty, and then briefly describe your issue. So in this particular field, you can mention that all the issues that are present in the inspection report, I'm reporting those issues. So then the warranty team will contact you over phone on the next business day and ask you to provide the inspection report. But here you can briefly describe your issues, such as firstly, you need to provide your home address on which you are reporting the issues, and then you need to provide the major issues and the minor issues in the home that have been identified by the independent inspector. So these are all the reports issues that have been provided in the report. So, for example, there is some problem with the evaporator unit that had an air leak at the time of inspection, then uneven conditioning or cooling, such as having excessive temperature difference between different rooms. Then the temperature differentials indicate a problem with the heating or system. Ducting insulation is low or missing in the attic, and uneven temperature, light and air gaps. There is cracking noted at the patio. There is one or more loose breakers within the electrical panel. So there are multiple issues that have been reported. So there are major problems and the minor problems. So you can mention there are multiple major problems and minor problems which are noted at the time of 11-month inspection, including that of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and other systems. Please see the below for a list of for a few problems among the many noted. Once you have filled in these details, then you can click on submit to submit this maintenance request to the builder. So click on send. So the maintenance portal for the warranty is very similar for different builders, but this one is a Lennar portal because this is a Lennar new construction home. So once you have filled in all these details such as customer service, subtype 1 year warranty, then adding the details, then click on send. Once this information is submitted, it gets submitted to the warranty team, and the warranty team will give you a call back on the next business day and ask you to provide the inspection report. After you have submitted this warranty form, this form and the details will go to the warranty team of the builder. So someone from the warranty team will give you a call on the next business day. He will read the deficiencies that you have listed in the form. In this online warranty form, there was no placeholder in order for you to provide the inspection report. So you were not able to upload the inspection report, but the warranty team will ask you to provide the report so that they can fix all of the deficiencies that have been identified by the inspector in the inspection report at once. Now, this can be done through email. You can ask the warranty claim team to provide their email address so that you can provide this inspection report. And once you have provided this inspection report, they will go through each and every comment by the inspector and they will fix these issues. And these all these issues can be fixed if you have reported this before the end of 12-month mark or before the end of 1 year mark. So if you have exceeded the 1 year mark, then they would be able to fix the issues related to electrical, plumbing, and HVAC only. So please submit this form, warranty claim form, timely in a timely manner. I would recommend every one of you to get an independent professional inspector and do not just say the issues that you are able to see as a homeowner or a resident in the home, because the professional inspectors will be able to find many issues that you have not witnessed or identified. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.